Hello, KU graduate students. Today, we are going to talk about how to use Navigate 360, also called Jayhawk GPS, using your web browser. Navigate 360 is also available as a mobile application if you would prefer, but it is not required. Now, we are going to schedule a writing consultation using Jayhawk GPS through your internet browser. Open up your search engine and type Jayhawk GPS. This is the link you are looking for. Once you enter the Wingspan website, you will notice a student login and a staff login. For now, we are going to use the student login. This will take you to a page requesting that you download the Navigate 360 app for Apple or Android users. As mentioned previously, you don't need the app to book an appointment. Instead, click on Navigate 360 Student Web. From here, you will be prompted to use your KU student login information, and you may be required to use the Duo authentication portal on another device. Once logged in, you can click on the Appointments tab located on the far left side of the screen. If you have any upcoming appointments or appointment invitations from the Writing Center, you will see them here. To schedule a new appointment, you will click the Drop In or Schedule Appointment button located in the top right-hand corner of the page. To best serve KU students, KU offers a variety of services that may be relevant to you. You can pick which service is best for you via the drop-down boxes here. For writing consultations, you will select Learning and Writing Support Services. If you are in need of writing assistance in Portuguese or Spanish, you can select that option here. We also offer graduate coaching sessions to help graduate students adjust to graduate life, academic standards, or advisor expectations. For writing consultations, select Graduate Writing Consultations. Select which date works best for you and click Find Available Time. Next, you will select a time based on consultant availability. You may prefer to work with a specific consultant. In that case, select the name of the consultant in the advisor or staff member drop-down box. The available times will update on the right. The Writing Center offers in-person or virtual consultations, so choose whichever option is convenient for you. The Writing Center also offers an asynchronous option called e-tutoring. This is where you can share a file and receive written feedback from one of our consultants. If you would prefer this option, select e-tutoring here. Finally, select Center for Learning and Writing Support under Department or Location. You are not required to include a course here. Select a time and you will be taken to an overview page. This includes the type of appointment, date, time, consultant, contact info, and details about what kind of support you need from us. Here, you can select in-person or virtual again, or change your mind if you wish. You are also able to include comments about your concerns or assignments to better prepare our consultants for your session. You may enter your phone number to receive updates via your mobile device in addition to email reminders to your KU email. Once you are ready, you can press Schedule. Congratulations, you have just scheduled a graduate writing consultation with the Writing Center. You should receive a follow-up email with the appointment details and confirmation. If you have any questions or concerns, please call the Writing Center at 785-864-7733 or email learning@ku.edu. Thank you for watching and rock chalk. If you need to cancel your appointment or reschedule, navigate to the Appointments tab on the left side. Once here, select your appointment, select Cancel Appointment, select a reason from the drop-down box, add additional comments if you wish, and select Cancel Appointment. If you choose to log in through the staff login for Jayhawk GPS, you will be prompted to sign in the same way you did from Navigate 360. Depending on if you hold a GA, GRA, or GTA position, you may see that you have multiple roles in Jayhawk GPS. You can toggle between student, staff, and instructor roles to access the services you are looking for. When in the instructor view, you can see your student information and send progress alerts on their behalf. If you think a student in your course may benefit from additional support, you can alert the Writing Center for Learning and Writing Support and we'll reach out to them. To schedule an appointment from the student page, select the Drop In or Schedule Appointment button in the top right of the page. This will guide you through making an appointment just like in Navigate 360. Once scheduled, you'll receive a confirmation email with details about your appointment. Once again, if you have any questions or concerns, please call the Writing Center at 785-864-7733 or email learning@ku.edu. See you soon!